how to solve Snapchat save in chat option. First thing, open the settings. Go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is just wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find Snapchat and click on it. When you click on Snapchat right now, all what you want to do is click on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data and click on delete and then click on clear cache. And now all what you want to do next is click on this data usage right here and disable all these options and enable them back. Now all what you want to do is go again to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and then disable it. And the last thing you want to do is update your Snapchat in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe.